Mary and Grace Charleston is being promoted as a boutique-style clothing brand with a long history and elegant, timeless fashion. But the real question is whether that backstory is actually real or just marketing. The store presents itself as a Charleston-based boutique founded in 2006, focusing on comfortable, classic women's clothing with a strong brand story and emotional appeal. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Many legitimate boutiques do build their identity around storytelling and curated fashion collections. However, here's the key issue. Independent checks show that the website itself was only registered very recently, around early 2026, which directly contradicts the claim of being a long-established brand. There are also several red flags in how the store operates. The website has a low trust score, hidden ownership details, and very little traffic. Common signs of low transparency or newer, unverified stores. Looking at the product pages, more warning signs appear. The site uses constant anniversary sale discounts, often 70 to 80% off. Urgency tactics like only a few left. Large claims like 130,000 plus satisfied customers. Without independent proof, Mary and Grace Charleston. User reviews shown on the site are also internally controlled, meaning they may not be fully reliable. There's also a broader pattern here. Many similar clothing sites use fake or unverified brand stories, Western-style boutique names, heavy discounts, and emotional marketing. These stores often source product from generic suppliers rather than operating as real boutiques. So, is Mary and Grace Charleston real or fake? It's likely a real website that sells products, but the backstory appears unverified and potentially misleading. The bottom line is that Mary and Grace Charleston shows multiple signs of being a high-risk online clothing store with a questionable brand story. So it's best to approach with caution or avoid until more independent reviews are available. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.